for this insider program, then you go to the to search for download Windows 11. You will choose this link, and then you will have to go and look for the ISO image. So you just choose here Windows 11 and then download, and then it will get to another page here, and you can choose which language you want it to install in. So, and that should hopefully generate an ISO image. So I think you just go here and then you press download. Let's just check it out here. So, and we'll just select the language here. So let's say English. And yeah, and you get a 60-bit here. So you see, you get the ISO image download here. I'm just gonna cancel that because I already have it. So after that, you will go to the to VMware, and here you will be creating a new virtual machine. You will install this, and I already have it here. So you just drag this file onto here, and then you can simply just install it here like this, and you should see it like this. So, and I think it should be something like this. You will just press continue, and then you just continue onwards and create a password, and so on and so forth. So after that, you have been allowed into your VMware. What you're going to do is I'm just going to show you, as this is already up and running. So what I will be doing here, I'll just quickly finish this. I'll just be going. You won't have a network connection, so you also have to bypass the network setup when you install it, and for that you need some code. I'll just here you just search for the internet and then search for bypass Windows 11 internet, and then there's some code here you should write. You should press shift somewhere here, but there will be some code. Let's just see here, code. So I think it's something yeah, shift, you have to press this, you have to do this, so shift F11, so, and then you'll be OOBE password something, I think it says here. So yeah, so out of the box, I think it's, yeah, so this one also takes you through it, so the installation guide here. So and then you will be in here, and then you will have to have an internet connection, and in order to get that, you will need to install VMware tools. Once that installed, it mounts as a on the D drive here in your computer. So you will have this not like this, but more like this, and that will in some way like this, but on the D drive. And then you will have to you'll see a setup file at the bottom. Now I'm not can show it because I have done it already, but you will then have to press the README, and then you will have some to do some code execution in PowerShell. Hopefully I have it already here in PowerShell. So, and I can show you here the code execution. So this will be this code you have to write. Hit enter. It will give you something, and then you just make a capital A and then hit enter again. And then you have to exit the program. After you've done that in the PowerShell, you run as an administrator. So you search here and then you say PowerShell, then run as an administrator. After you do that, you will have to go in here to the D drive. Now I cannot show you. So at the bottom there will be a setup.psd1, and you will have to right click that and then run in PowerShell. That should be the way you get the internet connection, and from there you can go on and download all the required applications for the course. Thank you for watching.